Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious buffalo chicken dip in a crock pot. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, which you can shred or dice. Next, grab 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, ensuring it is softened for easier mixing. Finally, measure out 1/2 cup of your preferred buffalo wing sauce. These simple components form the foundation of our flavorful dip. Now, let's get everything into the slow cooker. Add your shredded chicken, softened cream cheese, and buffalo sauce. Then, stir in 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing for extra creaminess and flavor. Finally, incorporate 1 1/2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Cover your crock pot and cook on the low setting for approximately 1 to 2 hours, or until the dip is hot and bubbly. Once your buffalo chicken dip is perfectly hot and bubbly, it is ready to serve. You can present it directly from the slow cooker to keep it warm throughout your gathering. Offer a variety of dippers like crisp celery sticks, fresh carrot sticks, and sturdy tortilla chips. For an extra touch, garnish with some freshly chopped green onions or a sprinkle of additional shredded cheese. Here are a few pro tips to ensure your buffalo chicken dip is always a hit. For ultimate convenience, consider using a pre-cooked rotisserie chicken. Feel free to adjust the amount of buffalo sauce to match your desired level of spiciness. Remember to stir the dip occasionally during cooking to prevent sticking and ensure even heating. Any delicious leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.